Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Microbiology Easy Notes. The recent microbial disease causing concern for the world now is Oropouche fever, which is also known as sloth fever. Oropouche fever is endemic to the Amazon region of South America. The disease is transmitted when a person or animal bitten by insect carrying the virus. In 1955, the virus was isolated from the blood of feverish 25-year-old forest worker in the community of Vega de Oropouche in Trinidad and Tobago. From there, it gets its name Oropouche fever. It is also called sloth fever since it was first detected in Brazil from a blood sample taken from the sloth. In late 2023, large outbreaks began to occur in the Amazon basin, where the virus was already endemic, and in new areas of South America. Between 1st January and 20th July 2024, the World Health Organization recorded 8,078 cases of Oropouche. The majority, 7,284, including the 2 deaths, were in Brazil. Bolivia recorded 356, Peru reported 290, in Colombia it was 74, and Cuba also diagnosed 74 cases. Now disease also spreaded in outside of South America. US officials announced 21 cases of Oropouche virus disease among travelers returning from Cuba as of August 16. Climate change is one of the reasons that disease is spreading outside of South America. Oropouche is transmitted when a person or animal is bitten by an insect carrying the virus. The virus belongs to genus Oropouche virus. Virus spread most commonly by the pinhead-sized midge species Culicois periensis, which are abundant across large parts of the America and South America. A midge is any small fly including species in several families of non-mosquito. But the virus may also be spread through bites by the Culex quinquefasciatus and Ochlorotatus serratus mosquitoes. The virus causes a feverish disease in humans but is also found in a number of animals including howler monkeys, marmosets and sloths, along with a number of different insects. Direct human-to-human transmission of the virus has not been observed. Once the virus reaches the bloodstream, it can quickly spread around the body and cross the blood-brain barrier to get into the central nervous system. Virus particularly accumulate within both the brain and liver. After reaching the bloodstream, virus can easily hide from immune cells like phagocytes and target the different tissues and cells. Oropouche virus carries a single strand of genetic material known as RNA that is encapsulated within a protective protein shell. Recent unpublished analysis of the virus behind the latest outbreaks suggest its genetic code has undergone some reshuffling. New variant has become more efficient in replication. It can rapidly increase in numbers and can cause more severe infection. Oropouche virus causes a flu-like fever in infected people, along with a headache, muscle ache, stiff joints, nausea, chills, vomiting, sensitivity to light. In severe cases, it can cause meningitis. A few cases may evolve into more severe forms with neurological or hemorrhagic manifestations, but most cases are mild and resolve after 7 or 8 days. There are no vaccines to prevent infections and no specific medicines available to treat the symptoms of Oropouche virus. What preventive measures a person can take are: limit outdoor activities, wear fully covered clothes, use mosquito repellent like sprays and ointments, and use mosquito netting.